Do you know there's a new prop firm broker right now that can give you up to $1,000 without ever paying a dime? In this video, I will be walking you through exactly how you can get your account registered and how you can get started without ever getting stressed. This video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how you can get your account set up with this prop firm broker. But I don't know whether if you hear what I said from the beginning. I don't know whether if you pay attention to what I said earlier. I am talking about a prop firm broker that will give you up to $1,000 without ever paying a dime. It's completely free. You just have to set up your account and they will fund you $1,000, and the fun part of it is that you get to keep up to 80% of the profit. The first time someone introduced me to this broker, I was blown away. And if you are getting started like a complete beginner with like zero experience and you want to learn the financial market and how it works, probably you have little skills about forex, you know what forex is, and you want to start practicing, this broker is the best option for you because it's far better than demo account. You can get $1,000 today. I am talking about $1,000. I am not exaggerating. And of course, you get to keep up to 80% of the profit you generate trading with the account. This video is going to be one of its kind. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. In case you're watching me for the first time, when I drop a brand new video just like this one, of course you will be the first to get notification. And if you share this video, you are telling YouTube that this video is very, very important. And YouTube will go ahead and share the video to as many people as possible. I am 100% sure you are not the only one who wanted $1,000 for free to trade the financial markets. So do a friend or a family a favor by sharing this video everywhere. This video is going to be one of its kind, and I think it's important for you to stick around and make sure you watch it to the end. Now, I will not be wasting much of your time. I will be going on a short break. By the time I'm back, I will be exposing how you can make the most out of this broker and how you can get your account set up and how you can start making money right away. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be one of the best video you ever watch on YouTube. Now, without wasting any of your time, let's dive into my desktop where I will be exposing the whole thing one step at a time. Let's go. If you come here, you're going to see I am on this website, and of course the link to get your account registered right now is 100% available in the video description below. This broker is called VProp Trader, and this is what I am talking about. And if you look at the link here, this is the main homepage link, but the link I provide in the description, that link is going to help you because it packed with incentive. Now if you come down here, you're going to see lot of how this broker work all together. It have 100,000 plus traders right now, 95% max profit split. You can get the total payout about $48 million plus have been paid so far. Look how it works. Select your challenge, pass the challenge, and receive a real funded trading account, withdraw profit and refund of your challenge fee and all of that. This is very, very simple. Now you will be getting $1,000 today for free. Read my lips, I mean it. This is it. Account size 1K, price is $0. You are to pay nothing, and look, you can start this for free right now. Now I will be diving into the whole thing so you know exactly what it takes. But before I do that, take a look at this dashboard. Kind of makes sense, right? Look, fee, step 1 challenge $0, step 2 challenge free. Like my friend that introduced me to this prop firm, he's already having 2 accounts. He's having $1,000 accounts and also $2,000 account, 100% for free. He never get to pay nothing, and he's growing the account, splitting almost 95 to 80%. You get to keep the money, honestly. But there is also terms and conditions that totally apply. That means you are not supposed to lose some certain percentage per day. One of the criteria here is that you are not supposed to lose $50 in a single trading day. So make sure you never lose $50 in a day. And honestly, you get to keep 90 to 85% to 90% of the profit to yourself. This is magnificent. Now look at profit target, $100 per day. If you are using the step 1, this is the challenge. This is not per day though. Target, they're giving you $100 for you to hit the target. Once you hit $100, they will upscale you to the next level. And look, step 2, you need to get only $50 for that period. And honestly, beautiful. Max daily loss. Look, this is called max daily loss. Pay attention to this. Max daily loss. Look, you are not supposed to lose $50 in a day. And step 2, you are not also supposed to lose $50 in a day, right? Beautiful. So this is much about this account. For me, this is magnificent, and I think I like it so much. So I know you will begin to think, how can I register my account and how can I easily verify my account? I will be also logging into my account, where I will be sharing the whole thing with you, how my account look like. I just created new, and I also show you some of my email that I received from them, what the email says, and that's it. You're going to see. Now, if you come back here, let's go to the top of the page. I will be clicking login, but before I do, I want you to click on sign up. If you click on the link I provide, you will be clicking sign up. But before then, I'll also go ahead and set and go to my inbox, to my email. Now, if you come here, get the big discount up to 50% off. Create your account right away. So you can create with WhatsApp. You can also create with email. So I personally prefer creating my account with email. So this is my email, and once you set your email, you click on send code. They're going to send a special code to your email. Once they set that code to your email, you just have to add the code right here. Add your password, input your phone number. Referral is just by default, but by default, you're going to see my referral name here or username here. After that, go ahead and click on register. But in my own case, I already set up my account, and in this video, I will be logging into my account instead of creating account. I try as much as possible to avoid creating multiple accounts in a single broker, because sometimes it sounds or look as if you wanted to scam them whatsoever. So I don't like creating different account on a different broker just to demonstrate or whatsoever. The whole thing is straightforward. It's something you can just do, set it up, and then you're good to go, and you can start making money right away. Now, if I come here, there's an option called login. So if I click on login, you're going to see that this login page is going to pop up with my email and my password, and I can click on remember me, and I'll click on sign in, and boom, my account should be signing in any moment from now. But as my account is signing in, there are a few things I also want you to know. I also want to prove it to you. They give me $1,000 to start trading with it. That's one fun thing about this broker called the VProp. Yes, the VProp trader. Honestly, that's one thing I want you to know. You can also connect your accounts to tradingview.com, so you don't have the hassle of installing your MT4 or MT5. And guess what? They also accept MT5, which I will be sharing everything in this video. Come back here to my email, because I want to prove it to you that they gave me $1,000. Let's click the first email. Look here. Look at what they said here. I actually create the account. Dear Joseph Benson, thank you for signing up with VProp Trader. We are excited to inform you that your two-step free prop trader account has been successfully activated. Below are the MT4 details, and then they give me my MT5 details. They give my MT5 account ID, the password, and the server, right? So this is beautiful. They give me the server. So this is the first thing. Again, hold on. Look at this email here. They give me another email here. Later on, I waited and look at what happened. Magnificent. Look, your $1,000 challenge account has been credited. Log in to start trading right now. They gave me the $1,000 100% for free. I never get to add my credit card detail whatsoever for any debit from my account. Honestly, it's 100% free. I have never seen any prop firm broker that is giving you $1,000 to start trading for free. And they even give you a losing cap. That simply means you are not supposed to lose $50. And I mean, with $1,000, you're losing $50. It doesn't make sense altogether. But honestly, with a good strategy, good indicator, you are not supposed to lose $50 in a day. and you're going to be making money every single day with this indicator. Now, let's come back here. Let me also show you. This is what I saw. So on coming back to my account, look, login, this is my login details, right? And if you come here, you're going to see my balance. Look, guys, this is my balance. They gave me $1,000. Profit target right now is $100. If I click here, you're going to see some detail. Profit target. They say the profit target in an VProp trader challenge is set to 10% of the initial balance. This is it. You're only to make 10% of $1,000. I think this is what they are saying, and this is true. So I'm having a target of $100. Once I reach $100 profit, I think I'll move to the next stage. Result not started yet. Minimum trading day 4, because they give me about 4 days ago now, and challenge type is two-step, and the maximum daily loss is set at 50, and the maximum total loss of 100. That simply means if you lose $100 from that trading account, they are going to wix the account from you. That means you will not have access to that account anymore. And I think it's going to be a bad reputation from giving you $1,000 and then in a single day, or maybe in accumulation, before you hit your $100 target, you went ahead and lose more than $100. They're going to wix everything away from you, and that's how you're going to lose the whole thing. So let's come back here. And the question is, can I also have additional free prop firm account in one email? The answer is 100% yes. But I want you to pay attention here. Look, Joseph Benson verify. Now, I already verified my account without no any hesitation, no any problem. Verification is 100% super simple, and this is beautiful. So now, no payment required. You see that? Free challenge. Start free challenge, no payment required. And you can come here to Prop Firm Trader Challenge. Also, you can create the second account if you so desire. This is how my dashboard look like. Everything is 100% plain, simple, and good to go. If you come to payout, you are going to see that I have no any single payout in this account. Everything is empty, coupon, and so on. So let's go back straight to account overview. This is my account overview, and this is how simple the whole thing look like. The link to get to account register right now is 100% available in the video description below. And remember, my link is a power link because that link comes with extra incentive. And that simply means you will be having lots and lots of incentive even after this challenge, because this video is a sponsored video from VProp Trader. And honestly, why did I even call it a sponsored video? Because after all, somebody introduced me too. Now, YouTube has now a different policy. Even when nobody pay you to advertise their product and you create a video, you are supposed to tag the video as sponsored video. And that's the major reason why I am saying this video is a sponsored video. So I don't know what you feel about this video. I don't know what you feel about this broker altogether. But to me, this broker is going to change the way you trade the financial market big time. And of course, I will be trading with this account time to time. I'm logging out now. I will be trading with this account for now, for some time. And maybe I'll be sharing with you guys what become of the account. Look, step 2, you can get up to $1,000, which is step 2. Step 1, you can get $1,000 extra. Again, this is how it is. You can get started right now, and that's it. Now, I have overstayed my welcome. I've oversaid what maybe I talked too much in this part, but that's just the fun part of it. Now, this will bring me to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with family and friends. Who knows who is looking to get started trading, but they don't probably have money to get started. But with VProp Firm Trader, they can easily get started, and hopefully at the end of the day, they can be able to make money and pay their bills and help their family. Please do a favor by hitting this video and pushing this video to as many people as possible so they can see it and they can benefit from it and make money from it. Thank you once again for your time. Honestly, I really appreciate you sitting back here to watch this wonderful video to the end. And hopefully, I will see you guys in the next one. But until then, I want to say bye.